No two pieces of Bizen Ware have the same coloration or pattern due to differences in clay composition, the way that pieces are set and positioned in the kiln, changes in temperature, and the amount of ash and embers produced during firing. These are some characteristics of Bizen Ware. Goma. This pattern resembles sesame seeds, produced when Japanese red pine ash adheres to the ware at the highest temperatures and creates a glaze. Ash may also accumulate, melt, and drip down the sides. Yohen. This refers to accidental coloring due to natural changes in conditions during firing. The surface contacted by fire turns reddish-brown, while the area buried in embers becomes gray, gray-black, or gray-blue. The flame and ash bring out various colors and patterns that cannot be exactly predicted. Hidasuki. Vermilion and red-brown lines or cords appear by wrapping the piece with softened rice straw. A chemical reaction occurs between the composition of the straw and the iron in the clay, resulting in a pattern resembling flames. This technique was originally discovered by accident after wrapping pieces with straw to prevent them from adhering together during firing. Hidasuki has since become a common feature of Bizen Ware. Botamochi. This pattern is said to resemble a sticky rice ball covered with sweet red bean paste called botamochi. When smaller plates are stacked on larger plates and bowls, the areas that are covered receive no ash, producing round patterns. Sangiri. Sangiri is obtained by depositing charcoal of the wares with a special shovel at the end of firing. Places contacting the charcoal undergo a chemical change. This produces a distinctive gray-blue, gray-black, or black-brown color. Bizenyaki. This pattern is produced when pieces are intentionally stacked on top of each other or sideways in order to vary the extent of coverage by ash. Different colors are produced depending on exposure to flame. This technique is often used for sake bottles, flower vases, and pots. The contrast of the different colors add depth and appeal. Aobizen. If a piece is placed in a sagar and the sagar is covered with a thick layer of embers, a reducing atmosphere is produced. The resulting color becomes a vivid blue-gray known as aobizen or blue bizen. This color is rare and prized by connoisseurs. There is also a technique of introducing salt into the kiln during the final stage of firing, which turns the clay into a blue color. Bizen Ware displays a variety of characteristics depending on the nature of the clay, how it's loaded into the kiln, the path of the fire, airflow, temperature, the volume of embers and ash, and the skill of the potter. It's the one and only ceramic with so much depth in a single piece. Bizen Ware. Please enjoy its charm.